What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified with every video I post. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media platforms, really just Instagram and TikTok. Instagram and TikTok, it'll be in the description box below. Alright, you guys, in this video we're going to be doing the little boho braids but with weave. So I've done one with like my natural hair. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how to do these braids and step-by-step tutorial. Of course, I'll give you guys like the hair details and everything, like real cute summer hairstyle for the summer. You know, I'm eating the parrot. But yeah. But we're just gonna really just get straight into this video. I know y'all just wanting the tutorial, but let's just jump straight into this video. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions or concerns or comments, just let me know in the comments and I will answer them. Okay? But all right, you guys, let's get straight into this video. All right, y'all, so welcome back to my channel. So we're about to get started on these boho braids. I really on crunch time. I have to be done before like 4:30, like no later. So it's 10:55 now, so we're on a little crunch time, but we're about to get started with the materials you will need for it. This is my first time doing these, so yeah, I like to look at it. So how I do it, I like to look at the picture and just kind of just like, okay, they might have did it this way. Like, I don't really watch tutorials how to do some of these hairstyles. Some of these styles I've done for the first time and I haven't even watched the tutorial on them. Yeah, so I'm doing the same thing with this. So I will just be like looking in stores, the beauty supply stores, like, okay, it looked like they use this hair in the picture, and then I got some braiding hair. But we're gonna get started with the braiding hair and then the curly hair. Okay, so we're using the 3-pack Expressions pre-stretch hair. The length is 52. So they are about to be like really long. I use these, I'm starting off with 2 packs. I really hope it's enough because I got 2 packs of these. Yeah, because the size I'm doing, I'm not really doing like little sizes. I'm doing like medium to large, because I ain't got time to be doing the smalls. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing these. This is the hair I got. So this is a 30-inch water curl by Master Mix Organic. So this is what they look like, and this is the other pack. So I got this in like the 30-inch because I'm going to act like the curly piece is kind of like through the more of the top of my hair. I'm going to use these for like the ends of my hair. So because this is 24-inch, so they're a little shorter, but we'll see. I just kind of got like 2 different lengths, but this is like some cheap hair. Like both was like $11.99 a pack, so a little some cheap hair, and it feels pretty solid, like no lie. Like it don't feel like synthetic-y, like whatever. It do feel a little cheap, but it's not bad. This would be like cool for the braiding hair, so I can have that like waterway boho look. You know what I'm saying? And I also have a little braiding tray because I'm about to start setting up my station. And then I have Shining Jam. So I have the Shining Jam. And then lastly, you know, get some clips and stuff. But then I also have like the nail glue and all that stuff. And then you also need some scissors. So the ones who's doing them on their own, how to like basically see the back of your hair. You see the mirror right here. So you gotta have a mirror kind of placed in the back of your head so you can like see it from, and I have a mirror in front of me so I can like see the back of my hair and then the front of my hair. About to get started. I'm kind of going to show you guys how to do it towards the front of my hair because I might show you how to do it at the back, but I kind of want to finish the back of my hair and then show y'all how to do it at the front so y'all can see how it look in the back. And I'm going to show y'all like the parts ain't about to be super perfect because, you know, I'm doing it myself. So we'll come back after the back is done. I'm going to just show y'all the process and then we'll get into the actual tutorial.
You learn about yourself on the last order.
Women. Patience.
Oh, that's all right, y'all. So I'm back, and you know I'm gonna rush. So 312 took me that long to do the back. When I don't even remember what time I started. But I just finished the back, so here it is. Okay, so Here it is, got a little some waves going on. That's how it is all to the side and whatever. So now, okay, so how I parted my hair was I did a big section in the back and then I parted these two in the front. These parts are braided. Okay, so they're not even, so I do need to kind of like fix it up. So we're gonna start with this side first. Braid this side up. We're gonna start with the other side first. All right, so I'm going to part my hair. Depending on how big I want y'all parts is, like I'm making this all one part, like literally, like I'm making it all one part. Then I'm gonna take some of this shining gem and really put that on the roots. Okay, so to add the hair into the bundles, I'm gonna show y'all that. So I like to pre-cut my hair already. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'm gonna take the longer bundle, so the 30-inch, and I'm going to like cut this. I have one cut already, but I'm gonna just show y'all. Like a curl form that's already like together and come together. I'm just gonna really like cut it. So this is for, I'm gonna add like while I'm braiding, and then you need one for towards the end of your braids. So I'm gonna take the shorter bundle, which is the 24-inch, and then I'm just basically gonna cut that together. So, and this is going towards the end of my braid. So I'm gonna just set this towards the side. And then, so, you can grab some edge control for your edges, but I'm just gonna do that later. If you feel like the shining gem's not gonna be enough, then you might wanna grab some edge control. So, okay. So now, this is not a knotless braid tutorial. If you need a tutorial, go watch some video, but I'll just show y'all the basic. So I'm gonna split my hair into 3. And then I'm gonna take the braid and I'm gonna act like I'm starting to do my first braid. And then that's when I'm going to, and this one I'm gonna add hair, start adding hair to it. And then I'm gonna braid twice. And then I'm gonna go in with another piece and add another piece to my hair. Braid twice. I think I braided 3 times. But then I'm gonna go in with another piece and keep going. Okay. Then I'm gonna start taking some shining gem and braid down. Okay, so how to add the curlies. I always call them curlies. So I'm gonna just take one and then I'm gonna fold it over like that. And then add the same way that you add the piece to the knotless to like extend your braid. What I just did, basically, you're gonna do the same thing. And I'm gonna just braid it. So I'm gonna braid it in by like twice, 3 times. And then I'm gonna try to find the piece, the longest piece. And then I just hold it with my mouth. And then you see how that's disconnected. But now I'm about to go in with a piece, another hair, because I like to go in with one more towards the middle. And sometimes the curls will accidentally end up braided into the hair, so just like be aware of that and just kind of like just watch yourself. But then I'm just gonna be braiding down. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stop because they're starting to align with each other with the other hair. So I kind of make them all the same length no matter like where they are in my hair. So the back, they're gonna be the same. Towards the front, it's gonna be the same. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop there. And then I'm gonna take the littler piece of curl that I use. And then, so I'm gonna get closer up. So then I'm gonna just take the end of it, and I still got some extra room on this side. I'm going to nail glue it and wrap it around. So I'm gonna nail glue the front first, and then wrap it around. And I'm just gonna hold it together. The nail glue will get on your hand, so just be careful because it kind of can burn a little as long as you, when you hold it. I'm just gonna add like a little more to it, and I'm just kind of just press it down. And it's already glued down on one side, so I'm going to do the same on the other side. Add some glue on the other side. So you're basically like wrapping it all around. And once you keep going with it, you'll get like more neater with it, because I'm still kind of struggling. Like I said, this is my first time, but some of them I'm like, okay, I got them right. And then some of them I'm like, all right, I'm struggling. Like this one looks like a struggle. Okay, so with that, it's pretty much all tied down together. So then I'm gonna move this away, the curl away, because I'm gonna cut all this off. And then any excess hair I'm going to cut off. So like all these little flyaways sticking up, I'm gonna cut that off. And then I'm gonna just kind of just like rub it together with my fingers. Kind of just try to mold it to a point. And then this is pretty much how it looks. So yeah. And that's how you do that. So that's how it looks with all the rest of the hair and everything. So it's coming together. But I'm gonna show you guys another tutorial how to do it, but I'm gonna keep going and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm on a time crunch, so I really need to be done no later than 5. And so y'all can just keep watching until the next time I do another piece. And yeah, we'll show you guys another tutorial. Okay, so we're at the last one, her. So I'm just gonna put some shining gem on my head. Y'all, time is 4:58, so I am past the 4:30 mark, but I will be done by like 5:05. So just smooth it out with the little comb, rat tail comb. I ain't gonna lie, I did go pretty jumbo, like in the front, like I did. I cannot, like, I might go back when it gets old and when I do my touch-ups to like do more, but right now I can't. I'm gonna take one piece and add it. And then I'm gonna take another piece and add it. Yeah, I kind of want to now start adding the curly piece. This one's the longer. Yeah, this one's the longest one. Then I want to start adding this in now. And then I'm just gonna kind of like feather the hair and cut it like a little angle. Definitely cut at the wrong angle. Okay, now since it's uneven, I gotta make this shorter. Okay. This is cute. I'm gonna go with this Curl and Mousse Defining by Makiya. Just put this sort of towards my ends so I can get it that water look. Kind of loosen up the curls a little bit. Y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference. And it kind of elongated the curls a little bit. But just get it a little bit more defined. I'm gonna put it up here too. And it smells good, so period. Just rub it down. Add a little wetness to it. Blending. I'm gonna show you guys more in detail when I get all dressed up and stuff, and then, you know, yeah. So I'm gonna rest. So I'll show you guys how it looks when I get like dressed up or a little something, and then we'll talk about it more about like tips and stuff. So BRB. All right, you guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me guys what you guys think of this hairstyle. I don't know, I haven't worn braids in a minute. Like I be forgetting, like, you know, I always do locks or something, but I don't know, braids just do it to you. Like, it just gives, you know what I mean? But yeah, so I really love the curly pieces. Just add some extra flairness to the braid, you know, add a little something. But yeah, y'all, that's really it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me how you think I did on this tutorial. This is my first time doing these braids, so period. So I can start advertising them and stuff, and maybe offer it to you guys that lives in my area so I can do these braids. So yeah. But yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.